So this is 4 pounds of chicken washed in vinegar and lime. So this is what we're using to season the chicken. This is thyme. This is 3 cloves of garlic, Scotch bonnet peppers, cilantro, dill, green onions, and bandania, and 1 medium onion. And what's this?
Pimento pepper.
Pimento peppers?
Yeah.
Okay. So we blend everything but the onion, and we're gonna blend it into this. So we're gonna pour it into the chicken. We're gonna add the onion,
Yeah.
1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of adobe seasoning. We're gonna mix it all up. So you can also use this to make tuna too.
Yeah.
Okay, so the stove is on medium heat and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil to the pot, just about. So now we're going to put a teaspoon of sugar into the oil. We're going to let the sugar caramelize in the oil.
Now you're going to throw the chicken in the...
So as the chicken cooks, it releases the juices in the meat, and that's what you have boiling here. So we're gonna wait for all of the water to boil off, and then we're gonna add a little bit more water. So we're gonna wait for the juices of the meat to dry up first. So the liquid in the chicken is gone now, so we're gonna add a little bit more water. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of water to make a little bit of gravy. It looks and it smells amazing. All right, all done. So for the macaroni pie, we're going to shred 1/2 pound of this extra sharp cheddar cheese, 1/4 pound of this kosher margarine, 1 pound of macaroni, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a can of evaporated milk, and here we have 6 cups of water, and we're gonna wait for it to boil. So we're gonna add the pasta to the pot. We're just gonna break it in half. Maybe I should get less. These are really thick noodles. Woo! This is done, and it's been in the pot for maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna strain it out. And we're going to add 1/2 pound of cheese, 1/4 pound of butter or margarine. So 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, of onion powder, and black pepper. And 1 can of evaporated milk. Alright, so we're going to put it back on the stove and melt the butter and cheese. So we're going to put the macaroni pie into the pan. We're preheating the oven to 375 for the macaroni pie. So we're going to put it in the oven for how long?
Half an hour.
For 1/2 hour. Chicken is very moist, it's very good, very cheesy. Yeah, it's all good, it's really good.